Oh, I'm recording. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Can't even see him. Morning. So today, we are going to try and set up a dyno in my unit. Having fun over there, assessing the situation. State of this unit. So basically, this dyno here, behind Ollie, I have sold, and I have a new dyno on my truck. So let me clear this, the turbo van that everyone keeps asking about. I'll clear this out of the unit, and then we'll have a little tidy up, and I'll reassess the situation. So, cut a long story short, we've basically got no real means of moving this dyno. This is an old Clayton CF250, and I binned off the water brake, made an inertia flywheel. But I've sold this. This is my poking stick, by the way, my pointing stick. Sold this, so the guy's on the way to come get this, so I can get rid of that, and then we're going to replace that one with a Bosch dyno chassis that I bought. So we're going to stick that in that unit, and hopefully today make a power run. And the whole time we're doing it, we're being judged by him, who's trying to work. But yeah, this is sketchy. I wouldn't mind, but this engine hoist you've got here as well is from like the 1960s?
It works.
Non-hydraulic. Check it out, man. 407 kilograms. Well, I can tell you quite confidently there's a lot more. I bet you someone ends up with a broken toe.
Okay,
So the yellow dyno's gone. Got rid of the old Clayton. He's literally just driven off in his van. Didn't really bother filming loading that into a van. Bit of a palaver. We just sort of like hooked one end in off the ramp, and then we put the engine crane around the other end, lifted it up, and then just rolled it in on fence posts. So that's it, off he's gone. So now I'm just coming down here, get Ollie, and then I can start work getting the other dyno in. That's the wheel.
Well, don't forget, obviously that's the seat. That might work
Down in Ollie's unit.
Obviously with that seat, that's a CTS stage 2 gearbox.
Was matey sorted out the money for the engine? Yeah, or was he still special himself? I was going to say, because if you grabbed his fucking...
What's going on in here? Yeah, L33, what's going down? How's it going? Put a link to your channel in the description if you want to check this guy out. Our local rapper.
Local.
Local? You're pretty fairly local. So what are you building here, oh?
Oh shit, I've lost my joint.
It is.
Yes.
Found it.
Z-Tech turbo. This is I built this engine, didn't I?
Yes.
Full Z-Tech turbo. Pistons, rods. One of my inlets.
We'll have one of your manifolds.
One of my exhaust manifolds. KMS, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hummus.
It's going to be alright.
Hummus. Give me some hummus, eh?
Modified water pump.
I want some hummus and fried rice.
Blacktop Z-Tech. And this is the van engine. The old engine out the van. So this is the standard blacktop with a turbo bolted to it. Still going strong. Now we're in a, what is it, a tennis cab, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got tennis.
Escort Tennis Cabriolet. Check that out. Just need a fuel tank, didn't you?
Yes. It's like a hole in it.
Yes. Is that the rotten one?
Yes.
Filled it up. Tried to make it run, and then that happened. Don't know where you can see that, but yeah.
Holy. It's very holy. Very religious.
Can we go put the dyno in the unit now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Another Z-Tech turbo. Budget of the budget.
Same as the van engine.
Yeah. Standard engine, bolt a turbo to it, away you go.
So another
Fiesta turbo inlet manifold.
That's proper budget.
That is proper budget, isn't it?
Yeah, I remember that. Budget, the budget.
Fucking you refocus.
Slowly. Ooh. Am I sliding it or what?
I don't know what we're doing. We're just fucking here, aren't we?
Ooh. Well, it's going the right way, boys, which is
Get
off.
this out a bit,
Out a bit.
because I think it's catching the floor.
Try not to burr the inside of that flywheel because she won't go on. Yeah, it is. It's like a brake.
Oh, no. It's got the ramp with the fucking
It's alright, hang on. Mind your toes.
Wait.
This is sketchy.
What could go wrong? Nothing, obviously.
Now you want to stand it up and try and lift it onto the end of that roller. This is where you're going to struggle. Ooh.
Takes the piss, mate. What are you talking about?
Yeah, go on then. Slide her on. Away we go, mate. Power runs galore.
A big wheel of cheese.
Yeah, do you know what side it goes?
That way it goes on.
On the inside also.
I did paint mark it to make sure it goes back on the right way, but he's got a
There's a
woodruff
key
key.
as well.
Yep, I just said. The narrator strikes again. That's why I'm going to call you the Echo.
Up in the right, it's the other way. Because look, that one's all dirty, inside there's dirty.
It goes, that face goes there.
Inside.
Yeah, so.
Spinny.
I don't know how you're going to lift it though. The roller's easy enough to turn. Don't go, mind. Woo. I feel I should be helping, but you know, filming is much more productive. To be fair, we could probably just rock the dyno down.
Check that end up.
Jack it up. Oh, do that. You ready? Just align the white paint. It's this cover plate's which
The white paint because it's not on the flywheel.
it's on the roller. It's on the flywheel.
It's over here somewhere.
Oh, is it? We'll align the. Oh right, yeah. Right, am I jacking up or what?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Say when. Just don't want it to slide towards you.
Stop.
The crowd goes crazy.
A bit more.
Just come all over.
Yeah.
There. Maybe we just get a long bolt and just pull it in. It's going. How are you doing it? Probably want some grease on that, I reckon. Because she's
Just a hammer.
she's a snug. You don't want to go.
Yeah. Where, Dan? Where's your copper hammer?
We're not kicking this that way.
No.
No. He's like, well, I tried. All right, we're going to progress with this, and then I'll come back when it's on.
Get the meat ready.
Get the MIG ready, yeah? All right. So what we're going to do is MIG weld this box section onto there. You need to lift the dyno off the floor. Make clearance for the flywheel. Done the old legs. Look at that. So we've put like box section. Let me show you this and it's easier. So we put box section all the way along and then braced it in there. And that side. Yeah. So now it will sit flat on the floor and the flywheel won't hit the ground. So it's, ow! So it's up high. Again, I could help, but what's the point? What's the point? Just sit here, can't I? Just let them do it.
Yeah, that's good like that.
Shall I help?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to try and turn this round to get it there. So, yeah.
Guys.
Go on, give it a spin.
Spin it.
Like that. Don't hit the floor. Fucking there as well. We're not going to bolt it down either. We're literally just going to just send it, yeah. So we've got this. Just going to weld that on the front there and then hook my recovery truck ramps onto it and then dunk. What? What are you looking at?
Why are we going to weld it?
Why are you going to weld it?
Why don't we just cut a slot?
Be too high.
Take out the strength as well, mate. Huh? Yeah, you put in, wouldn't you?
Can do.
Sure.
Totally up to you. Well, go get the ramp and we'll light it up. Should we get this out of the way? Hold on, hold back.
In the future, someone's going to teach us to work with material called aluminium.
Do what?
Someone's going to teach us to work with a material called aluminium.
Who is?
Someone is. Where this shit will be much lighter.
I can weld aluminium.
So why did you make him out of like fucking the world's heaviest material in the world?
Because they're 3 meters long and they need to hold heavy stuff.
Fuck it, just send it.
Mate, that'd be actually not too bad. Let's see what the angle's like. Problem is, every time I want to use the dyno, I've got to bring my recovery truck down. Wait! Would there? Yeah, could do. Mate, that would actually work. It'll work. Yeah, just sink a hole into it. Just run the market and run the dyno into it.
Will you get the fucking
Grinder.
grinder? Plasma.
Like, I haven't got a plasma here.
Okay,
Just cut 2 slot.
Cook him, wouldn't it?
But I was thinking, just to save some ag, if we weld that hook on there, we can even go a little bit lower. Because then that will sit flush with that. Yeah, just go on the front of it. That's what I'm saying.
Right down, wouldn't it?
What do you mean?
So you can, if you've got
Yeah.
a wider car or a narrower car,
You could slide it, yeah, rather than cutting a slot all the way along.
yeah, they'll just take all the strength.
I think just mig that on there.
It'll start pushing onto. Yeah. You slot that.
At least if that's a bit lower as well, the car will get onto the ramp, then bump up and into the rollers.
Yeah,
Rather than up and then down with that, because that would be a bit
Grind it,
crash.
weld it.
Alright, let's grind it and weld it.
Can't try the car with Dyno. What's the next Subaru?
I think it's time. What do you reckon, Dill? Dylan has kindly offered to sacrifice us his Fiesta for the first ever power run.
Hey, you know what? Convert it. So when you get the second one, just drive my car along, it'll be a bike. Just trim them down a bit.
Do what?
You can like see the ramp,
Yeah.
make another set of ramps go across, and have like
That's what I just said earlier.
the four-wheel drive.
Oh, full drive? No. Let's get 2-wheel drive working first, eh?
Car's on two-wheel drive.
What do you reckon, huh? I reckon there's going to be an accident.
How much do you sell it?
A month. Right, get a car on. How are we going to get it out? Yeah, you're right. Whoa, 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 that way. Holy shit. Actually, go backwards and square it up a bit, Dill. Go straight back and then like square it up over here. Huh? Go back out and then you want to keep this tyre close to the edge of this ramp. Holy moly. I didn't think the first accident on the dyno was going to be getting a car onto it. That's it. Cut tight to the edge of that ramp and you'll be laughing.
Straight out, mate. Send it. Can only fall off once.
Maybe lower yourself in. Right, just yeah, take the handbrake off and in first, roll it up just to square the car up.
Don't accelerate.
Yeah, don't floor it, will you?
Oh my god.
That's it, flick. That's it. Yeah, man. Right. Now we're going to strap it down. Hold up, hold up. Yeah, turn it off for a sec. So we got the Fiesta in, and we literally just put some straps up and over the arms, just to sort of hold it there. Not much to stop it going from side to side, but we're going to wing it. I ain't going to stand here either.
Lovely noise.
That'll get the farmer out. quite nerve-wracking. So how loud was that?
That was quiet.
Was it?
Quiet, yeah.
So was that alright? That was third.
Was it?
Not flat out. ABS lights on.
Third at 30 miles an hour.
Yeah. Lights on, sure. Still up there, isn't she? Stop it with the brakes.
They didn't stop that.
Take that.
The front fucking.
Yeah, the flywheel's strong with the tyres.
Yeah.
Where's the rest of it? Why have I got to do this?
Right, try and max it out. Straight to 150. It might be because it's very quiet exhaust.
Just try and get the laptop hooked up, see if it actually measures something. Nice, nice. There's a dyno in the unit, finally. This is going to get interesting, isn't it? I think that was quite a productive day, really. Sorry, I'm just reversing my recovery truck and trying to film, so hence it looks a bit sketchy. So yeah, I think it was quite a productive day, really. Got the dyno actually, you know, with some ramps hooked onto it, run a car up to like 90 mile an hour. I was quite happy with that, really. I think next I'm gonna have to connect all the software and the hardware up and actually see if we can get some power measurements. But yeah, I think it's gonna make the videos a lot more interesting in the future anyway. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. That's about it, really. So yeah, little blog video. People have been asking for them, so I've decided to do them. Hope you found that interesting. Yeah, let me know what you think.